I'm Jai Young. I like to walk on the track for exercise. I wear a pedometer that records the number of steps I take. My car has something like a pedometer. It's called an odometer. An odometer is similar to a pedometer. It is a device in a vehicle, like a car or a truck, that records the number of miles traveled. The odometers are found on the dashboards of vehicles. Let's consider how we can write variable expressions to solve a problem about the odometer readings on a car and a truck. Suppose the odometer reading on a car is 452 miles less than 3 times the odometer reading on a truck. Let X represent the odometer reading on the truck. We need to write an expression for the odometer reading on the car. We know that the variable X represents the odometer reading on the truck, and that the odometer reading on the car is 452 miles less than 3 times the odometer reading on a truck. So, the odometer reading on the car is 452 less than 3 times X. Now, let's start translating the words to mathematical symbols. Which operations are represented by the words less than and 3 times? Addition and multiplication, addition and subtraction, subtraction and multiplication, subtraction and division. The answer is subtraction and multiplication. The operation used for less than is subtraction, and the operation used for 3 times is multiplication. Now, let's go back to our original word phrase and translate it into a variable expression. We know that the phrase less than translates to subtraction, and the phrase 3 times translates to multiplication. The 3 times X part of the phrase is written as 3X, and 452 less than is written as minus 452. When we put these two parts together, 452 less than 3 times X can be written as the variable expression 3X minus 452. We write the odometer reading of one vehicle in terms of the other odometer reading by translating a word description of their relationship to each other into a variable expression. First, we used the information from the problem and wrote it as a math phrase with words. Then, we used those words and wrote them as numbers, operations, and symbols. Using these two steps, we created a variable expression for the odometer reading on the car, which is 3X minus 452, where X represents the odometer reading on the truck. Now it's time for my walk.